Good evening. It is very warm indeed. So, indeed in this sentence, it means it is certainly, or without a doubt, very warm. I could also say, I was very grateful indeed, which means I was without a doubt grateful. Certainly very grateful. Right, we use indeed quite a lot in English. Right, we could also use it to mean in fact or in reality. So I could say, I was sure that South Africa were going to win the World Cup Rugby. Indeed, they did. Okay, in fact or in reality, they did. We could also use it to mean certainly. So I could say, indeed, many mistakes have been made in the management of the coronavirus crisis. I could also say, as a president, somebody with a slightly orange tan is terrible indeed. Okay, then it goes at the end of the sentence. Indeed is also to show that you emphatically agree with something. So I could say, wow, that was a really, really interesting class. And you could say, it was indeed. Or you could simply just say, indeed, or indeed it was. Right, we also use indeed to ask if something's true and to affirm that it is. So I could say, oh, did she indeed do that? And you would reply, oh, she did. Or you could say, indeed she did. Or I could say to you, did he really say that? And you would say, indeed he did. We also use indeed sometimes as a gap filler, you know. So indeed, I'll leave you to think about what we're going to say next. And finally, indeed is very good if you use it with just the right of sarcasm. It can introduce some skepticism into what you're saying, a bit of irony. So for example, when I've had a really long day and I've been teaching, shopping, doing the housework, picking up the kids, and I get home and my husband says, I'm so tired, I've had such a hard day, I did so much, I unpacked the dishwasher. Then I say, oh, indeed. Right, so I hope that makes that a little bit clearer, and I will indeed see you tomorrow. And one little PS, I would like to say thank you very much indeed for watching my videos. That means more than thank you very much. It's thank you very much indeed. It's emphatic, really. So, have a good evening, guys.